I have developed this AI powered article writer software. The articles are completely SEO optimized. Well, just write SEO article, put here the keyword, for example, best MORN, best morning DRINK, best morning drink. You can add your brand voice in this field, and also you can add your additional information. For example, if you want to add your brand's promotion or something else, you can put in this text area. For example, if your company has a product and you wanna add that product naturally in the article, you will provide that in the more information. For example, your company name is ASDF. I will write include my company name Pessima and PRO product name XYZ drink. You have put that additional information and right click. It will take up to 1 minute. By this time I will explain the features. Well, here are the features listed. This AI writer creates expert level articles. The articles are long, like 2500 words or near that. It's research backed, no AI fluff, and it's completely Google's EEAT guideline friendly. It's optimized for SEO and optimized for AEO. You know, currently AEO, answer engine optimization, has become more important than SEO. My software both optimizes for SEO and for AEO. Uh, if you use Yoast and RankMath plugin, they will show high level of SEO score, all green, and you will get all those SEO value by one click. Automatic image creation, it will add one featured image and it will add several, like 5, 6 or sometimes 10 additional images on image per section, and those images are metadata optimized. Link building, it uses it searches Google by that keyword and collects some high DAPA links and embeds that link in your article, so it becomes more SEO optimized. It automatically publishes to WordPress if you enable in settings. I'll show that later. It's completely plagiarism free, and that is a challenge. You will use my software, and if you get any plagiarism for any article, I'll give you 100% refund. Anyway, it's totally unique, no plagiarism, naturally written content. Okay, by the time we see article has been written, it has become 2239 words. It has added 2 internal links and 1 authoritative external links. It's completely EEAT optimized. It has added 8 images. Let's see what is the how's the article. 7 best morning drink choices for a healthy start. Well, all well formatted, SEO optimized headlines, subsections, subheadlines, H2, H3. Tags. It also uses block code that makes highly SEO optimized, and all the images are highly relevant, and it has added some common facts, you know, frequently asked questions. It has added some gist links and some recap. Also, it has created meta description. You can simply click the copy button and it will be copied. Also, you don't need to manually copy because it automatically publishes to the WordPress. Before that, I want to show you it has created a default featured image for this article. But if you want a customized image, it has created a image generation prompt that will reflect the concept of the article. So you don't need to create your own prompt. You don't need to waste your time. Well researched AI prompt, I'll show generate, and let's see how is the image, how much related to the article. Well, also it creates alt text for the image, title, caption, and meta description for the image. And you see, what was the title of the article? 7 best morning drink choices. And the image prompt has created a nice featured image. All these images are highly relevant to the article. So you see the power of the image generation prompts. Also, it creates a shorter version of the same article. Uh, it has created a table too, and you know tables are highly SEO optimized in our article. So this is the shorter version in purple color, and this is the longer version, and it has automatically published to the WordPress. Let's see, this is the link. It has published to the WordPress and provided the link, article link. Yeah, yes, it's published. It has been published to this WordPress website, and this is the article. Let's see what how is the SEO value. It has become SEO optimized 92. Oh my god, that's really good. According to the RankMath, you see you got all these by just one click. In one click, it has written that long article with images, and the SEO optimization is insane. 92 SEO score just by one click. That is the power of my software. Well, I'll also show you some previously written articles. All those get high SEO score. And now, more to go, I'll show you the settings, what more you can achieve with this software. It has WordPress auto-publish mode. You can auto-publish or not. You just have to select the username and application password. Also, you can set publish immediately or publish as draft or publish as pending review. Also, you can assign category automatically. These are the categories of your blogs. You can select it, and the published post will automatically contain this category. Okay, also you can manage multiple websites or blogs in one single account. For example, here I am managing 3 accounts, 3 websites. You can add or rename or delete from here. So this is Nany article. You get long article, everything ready that can be done by a dedicated team, and a lot of SEO optimization just by one click.